Hello and welcome to WebPlus. We're going to look at inserting and customizing a photo gallery, which gives you a way of presenting your images in a sleek, professional format. WebPlus gives us the flexibility of a JavaScript-based gallery, which is platform independent and so works across a range of desktop and mobile browsers. To begin with, we'll find the photo gallery object on the Quick Build tab and click and drag it onto our page. We are now prompted to choose a gallery from 4 options: Professional Flash Photo Gallery, Professional Flash Photo Gallery Live Feed, Flash Photo Gallery, and JavaScript Photo Gallery. We're interested in the JavaScript gallery as it provides the best compatibility and accessibility. Click Next to bring up the dialog where we will add the photographs we want to display in the gallery. In this case, I want to add some specific images from my hard drive, but you can also add an entire folder full of images, choose from the Assets browser, or scan images in. I'll go ahead and add some images from my Pictures folder, then click Next. This page is where I can now configure the gallery's look and how it functions. Along the top, I have a choice of gallery presets, and to the right, I can customize the gallery in more detail. There are several designs and layouts available, but the default gallery is actually quite appealing, so we'll stick with it for now. By clicking the Position button on the first tab, I can reposition the gallery and also resize it by click-dragging the resize handles. Let's look at some other options available to us. On the Thumbnails tab, we can change the way the thumbnails are presented. The Style option by default is set to resize, which will cause them to increase in size as the mouse hovers over them. Changing the style to opacity causes the thumbnails to become transparent until they are hovered over. The active and hover variants of these options offer subtle changes to when the effect is applied. The position of the thumbnails can be changed from horizontal to vertical, and we can also change the size, position, spacing between thumbnails, and how many thumbnails are on each row. The navbar, or navigation bar, is an alternative method of navigating through the images and can either be used independently or in conjunction with the thumbnails. You might use a navbar independently if you want to give the viewer fewer options or want a less cluttered appearance. The ability to play through the images like a slideshow is also unique to the navbar. Again, you can customize various aspects of the navbar to make it more suited to your needs. The Caption tab allows us to display both the image number and its independent caption. The captions are actually defined on the previous page where we imported the images, and we can work through and give each image its own caption. On the General tab, we can tweak the final few options. Checking Play Gallery on Load will automatically play through the images, and we can change the transition animation from its initial fade option to other choices such as square fade. We can also change the amount of time each image is on screen for by editing image time, and change the speed of the transition animation by editing transit time. Finally, we can click Finish to insert our gallery onto the page and preview it to see it working. You can go back in and edit the gallery at any time by clicking on the gallery object, then choosing Edit Photo Gallery from the top left context toolbar. Here's a potential scenario. If you've designed a Flash Player gallery at one point, but decided you want to switch to a JavaScript gallery for better compatibility, you might think it would entail developing a new gallery and re-adding all your photos, captions, and settings. It's much easier than that. Simply select your gallery, choose Edit Photo Gallery from the top left context toolbar, and you should find yourself at the Image List section. Simply click back and the initial gallery type page will appear. You can then select JavaScript Photo Gallery. Click Next twice, then click Finish, and your gallery will be changed. Finally, you can also watermark every image added to the gallery automatically by clicking on the Edit Watermark button on the Image List page and editing your watermark to your requirements. This is a handy feature as it means you don't have to watermark your images individually. And should you change your mind, you can easily change or remove the watermark without re-editing those images. So there we have the Image Gallery feature of WebPlus. I hope that's helped you understand more about how the feature works. To find out more about WebPlus, see the Learn section of the Startup Assistant. Thanks for watching.